Hi everyone, this is Brinjal Dry Curry. We can serve this Brinjal curry as a side dish. This curry we can prepare in festival time also. Why? Because I'm not going to add any onions or garlic or any masalas. That's why we can use this curry in festival time or any side dish or main dish. Take a kadai, add 1 teaspoon of oil, then 3 tablespoons of groundnut and 2 tablespoons of gram dal, 2 tablespoons of urad dal, roast well. In oil, these ingredients will roast very fast. Then add 1 tablespoon coriander, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. Once roasted the dals, add half shell of dry coconut and 8 to 9 red chili, then 5 to 10 grams of tamarind. Stir well, stir 1 or 2 minutes only. It is enough to fry the red chili. Then take it to plate. I took here half kg of brinjal. Once cool down the ingredients, then transfer to mixer jar. Then add half teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of hing and required salt. Then close it without water. Roughly grind it. Then add salt and water. Mix well. Then cut the brinjal into X shape. Then put them into water. Check it once. Sometimes bad brinjals also will include. Clean well. Then stuff the powder. How much it will absorb, that much we can stuff the powder. This is very simple dish. If you have powder, you can store this powder for 15 days without touching the water. You can store in glass bottle. Then take a kadai and add 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil. Then put the all brinjals and dip them into the water like greasing. Then close and cook 5 to 6 minutes. You can store this powder for 15 days. You can use this powder whenever you want it. This powder can use for another IV guard recipe. Also, you can use this powder. Same like as. After 5 minutes, turn it. Cook until soft. Once softened, then add leftover powder. We can mix this powder in rice. Then add curry leaves. Then close and cook 2 to 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, mix it. Our curry is ready. If you have powder ready, you can easily make it within 5 minutes. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Then thank you for watching.